What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just out here trying out the new forks and rear shock on the Hawk 250. One thing I did notice with the forks, you got less handlebar vibration. It seems to handle way better. Oh my gosh, this thing is nice. I know the braking bumps, the back wheel hooks up so much better with that other shock. Pretty steep hill here. All this burned a couple years ago. They're supposed to be cutting timber out of here. Sucks because this place was close to town. It was always fun to come out and rip around on. Oh man, way different. I wouldn't do that with stock suspension. Alright guys, so I put on a 2002 KTM EXC 200. The cool thing is the speedo cable fits on there to the Hawk original speedometer, which it's weird, it's off when you're going slow, but if you're going 60 it's within a couple miles an hour. And then I don't know if you can see, that's the rear shock. It's a Amazon special and it's got the fast and slow rebound, 320 millimeters, so it kind of made it set up pretty level, and I had to raise these up an inch, but other than that, it does pretty good. Alright guys, these new forks are awesome. Rear shock, no more bump steer. It's actually really smooth. Night and day difference. Hopefully the drone gets some good shots of the suspension working. I got a gallon of gas on the back, kind of add weight for the camping gear. See how they do on the gravel a little bit. And it's warm today. It's like 98. Not too bad. Might have a little too much air pressure in the back. Looks like there's a storm coming. Every time I get the bike out, it rains. All in all, guys, it's pretty good. I might need to put some air in that front. I let the air out a little bit. Let's get over here. We'll air that up a little bit. The only downfall, it's a little taller. And I'm short. Let's squirt a little air in that. Pump works. See what we got. Oh yeah, I let too much out. We'll try 20. And I'll probably head back. See what that does. Oh, did you guys hear that thunder? Oh, here comes a road grader. He was pretty cool. See how she feels with 20, and they just graded this, so it's pretty loose. I might need to come off the compression a little bit. Still kind of skatey. Oh, I can feel it cooling down because of that storm. I gotta fix these straps. They're gonna drive me crazy. See if we can't fix these straps here. Not really sure which one's hitting. Yeah, that thing's moving pretty quick, isn't it? Well, I might get a shower on the way home. I think that's about it. I think that's the only one. Alright, let's get out of here. So we're about 55. So it's weird, the speedometer is accurate the faster you go with the GPS. We're going 55. Yeah, we're almost, 57 on that one. Oh, here comes the rain. Yeah. I got a real nice raincoat. Not raincoat, but a riding jacket. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that coming over the hill. And the rains came. Oh, here comes the wind now. Well, that felt pretty good. I think we might get out of it before it gets us. I don't know. Yeah, I've noticed a lot less vibration in the handlebars with these. Even the mirrors aren't vibrating that much. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below. I just wanted to get out and get some miles on these forks and that rear shock. Plan on going up to the mountains. I figured I'd do a quick ride north of town and kind of see how they did. I think I got them pretty good. Nice and smooth. Alright guys, see you on the next adventure.